Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This time we're looking at Cardano, ADA, and my trade setups on this crypto. So again, we're on a 4-hour time frame, and we're going to have a look at the macro, the semi-macro first. Now, ADA had probably one of the best ABC macro setups that we've seen in a while. So we had a beautiful ABC from here. This was the A wave, back up to the B, and then back down for the C wave. And your entry point was at this region here. Now, I don't think it gets any better than this. So if we zoom in and have a look, check it out, guys. This entry was about as pretty as it gets. And if you were paying attention, you could have got in on a phenomenal macro entry, which I did. And again, I'm running a 1.5% stop loss. And this particular trade pumped up for the A wave. It's come back down for its B wave. It has put in a C wave, so we do have a hedge short position at this point here. I got in slightly higher, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So my current trade at its peak was a 64 R&R return, which is excellent. However, if we zoom out a little bit, our current local high is at approximately $1.32. And if this reaches its target, this will be a 104 risk to reward ratio trade. This particular trade I'm going to hold on to. It's currently at around 1,800% in profit. And as you may or may not be aware, ADA hit an all-time high of approximately $3. I don't think we're going to get there in this current climate and the way BTC is positioned, but I've got my head short opened, so I'm not too worried. Whichever way the market goes, I'll be securing profit. Now, I got this entry a little bit higher than the established ABC here, just because I was playing about a little bit, and I'm working a slight modification to the ABC strategy, and I just pulled a fib level from the high to the low, and it kissed this first fib level perfectly. Now, I didn't get that particular entry. I think it dumped quite quickly, so I got a little bit lower down, but I've been monitoring these 3 fib levels just to see and trying to build some data on this to see how often and what the percentages are. But for now, we have our long entry, and we're just chilling on that one. And we've got our counter short, and we're chilling on that one as well. So let's see. Yeah, so this falling back down to its local low of 50 cents. This is a 47% return. And with a short, you usually want to be holding it around the 40 to 50% mark before diminishing returns ensue. And then we would hope that we get one of two things happening. Either we get a brand new ABC long position opening, and if that doesn't work, then we would hope that we get some form of ABC short where we can re-enter the trade. So that could look something like, we come down here, we bounce back, then we dip down again, bounce back again. This would be a very nice short entry, so we can take profit on our open short at this level here, and then re-enter the short, ride it for another leg down if that is what is going to happen. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.